The diagram shows a prism. The cross-section of the prism is an isosceles triangle. So here we have an isosceles triangle. The lengths of the sides of the triangle are 5, 5 and 6. 5, this one will also be 5 because the triangle is isosceles, and the base here is 6. The perpendicular height of the triangle is 4. The length of the prism is 10 centimeters, so the length here is 10 centimeters. Work out the total surface area of the prism. So the surface area is like trying to find the amount of material needed in order to make the prism. So sometimes it's a good idea to draw what's known as the net. So if we call that here the base, a bit underneath the prism, so this bit here, this rectangle here, then this here will be one of the triangles where this length is 6 and this length here is 4. This will be this triangle here where this is 4, again this is 6. This length here would be this side here, this one here, which is going to be this length here 5 by 10. And then this length here will be this rectangle here, which again is going to be 10 by 5. So basically now all we do to find the surface area is find the area of the 3 rectangles and the area of the 2 triangles. So the area of this rectangle is 6 times 10, which is 60 centimeters squared. The area of this rectangle is 5 times 10, which is 50 centimeters squared. And the area of this rectangle is 5 times 10, which is 50 centimeters squared. The area of this triangle here is going to be 4 times 6 divided by 2. So this is 6, this length here is 6, this length here will be 4. So it's half base times height, so it's 4 times 6 divided by 2, which gives me 12. And this one will be the same, which is 4 times 6 times divided by 2, which again is 12. Then to find the total surface area, we just need to add each of those up. So it's going to be 60 plus 50 plus 50 plus 12 plus 12, which gives me an answer of 184 centimeters squared. So this has been a video to show you how to find the total surface area of a triangular prism. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.